In this Canva tutorial, we'll learn how to view all pages at once in Canva. One way to view all your pages is by clicking on the thumbnail view button. Then you can click through your pages. However, there's a more efficient grid view option where you can see all your pages at once. To access the grid view, locate the icon in the lower right-hand corner of the interface. Click on it to display all your pages simultaneously. This grid view allows you to easily add, rearrange, duplicate, hide, add new, or delete pages. Additionally, when a specific page is selected, you can access more options by clicking on the three dots menu. You can even add a title to the page for better organization. This tutorial offers a quick and effective method to manage and view all your pages in a grid format within Canva, ensuring a smooth design process.